All right, so this is a quick walkthrough on how to use this little web app to find duplicates in a Pardot list. So by default, Pardot has this MCAE optimizer, and if you go to the optimizer home, and you go down to the bottom of the page under Maintenance Resources, you see this link, Find or Review Duplicate Prospects. And then that takes you to this page, which gives you a list of all your duplicate prospects. You can export this to a CSV, and then that will be a full export of all of your duplicates in the system. All right, and you save that file. That file will always have a specific, and that is this file name, prospect counts by email just export.csv. And then you'll go to whatever list it is that you're wanting to find duplicates. And you go to Tools, CSV Export, and just do an express export of that list. It doesn't matter what you name it. And and depending on the size, it might take a couple minutes to generate the export, but you gotta download that export. And you download that from the admin and then exports page there, and you'll see the list of files you can download. And then when you eventually have your two files that you're wanting to compare, then you just upload those files. And you're actually not uploading; it's just analyzing it here in your browser. So you want to drag the prospect counts list to that McKay optimizer duplicates, and then your Pardot list into the Pardot list file there, and then click Find Duplicates, and it will run the analysis and create a file for you to download, which is the list of the duplicates that were in that file. And yeah, so that will be a file that just has the rows of your duplicates, or any of the duplicates that were on that list that you wanted to check for duplicates. And that is basically it.